pulling your brother around?
Yeah.
Oh, what a good job you're doing. Stuck? You gotta fix the wheels? Okay. You gonna get your tools? He's gonna fix the wheels. Get your fingers out of your mouth. What? Oh, I think I hear him. You got your tools?
Yeah.
What you got? What is that?
It's around upside down.
Well, what is that called?
Oh, the red.
Screwdriver.
Oh, the red and then that's going.
I know. Nanook's being silly.
Okay, then
Fix the wheel? All right, good job. Where are you going now? You guys left all your paint stuff out, huh? You must be getting some more tools. Get your fingers out of your mouth. Get them out of there. What's that? Hamburger? You mean a hammer?
Yeah, a hammer. See?
Oh, wow. You gonna fix the wheels with a hamburger? Good job, bud. You gonna pull your brother around now? Okay. Where are you guys gonna go? Where are you gonna pull brother to? You gonna take him to work? You got paint all over your face too?
Oh, in my head.
Oh, on your hair?
Yeah.
Huh? I don't think he's getting out of the way. Nanook, move.
Yeah,
Nope, you might have to go around him.
Okay, Nanook, take it.
I know.